Wecool metal hi-fi wired earphones for mobiles, with carry case. It has an incredible sonic clarity with super extra bass, which provides you an unbelievable listening experience. Earphone is with 1.2 meters perfect length cable, plug it in anywhere with ease. As the headphones feature powerful drivers, delivers the balanced acoustic sound with trebles, that give you clear sound with the thumping bass. The HD microphone allows you to make clear voice calls. It is perfect choice for traveling, driving, riding, jogging and gym. 3.5mm auxiliary input jack provides a universal compatibility with all Android, iOS, and any other audio devices. Enhanced bass pump up your heartbeats with low and high rhythms that drive you to give your best performance every time. The premium acoustics sound enables you to enjoy the intensity of music in a different locations and activities. It is a good choice for music lovers. Multiple-sized premium silicone earbuds ensure a perfect fit for your ear. While using on a long duration also your ears won't get any pain or disturbances. It gives an ultimate comfort for ear. Thanks for watching. To buy this true sound earphone follow Amazon link in description.